This is the 18 panels we installed today. This is 2 strings of 9. All the wiring on the top here is done. There's one string, and another row is the second string, ran down to the DC combiner box at the end there, and then the conduit will run down to the DC disconnect. This here is our 2-foot deep trench for our PVC conduit to get ran into the AC disconnect box. This here is the AC disconnect that we ran the conduit to along the side of the garage and under the sidewalk, and will be tied into the main breaker box. This is the conduit where the PV comes off the roof, goes into the disconnect here. This is a 4-pole disconnect for each string. Then it also has the rapid shutdown button here, which feeds into the garage as you've seen before with the inverter. This is where the conduit runs into this wire trough or wire gutter. Then it runs up into the inverter, which is an 8K Megarevo inverter. This can also be ran with batteries as a off-grid or hybrid inverter. Right now it's just on grid tie only. Future videos I may include the battery installation and whatnot. This piece here is where the cloud connects to each DC optimizer on the back of the panel to give us our power readout, and also does the rapid shutdown.